Hey guys, hey, I just wanted to take just a moment and let you know that first of all that ABB has announced that they are discontinuing their Phenolic line. All right, so wherever you have a customer that has the Phenolic box, make sure you go in, take an inventory if you can, to get an idea of what kind of volume they're going to move per month. Because the only box that's going to replace this box here, which is the Phenolic, is the Fiberglass box. So I'm going to be sending out a cross-reference sheet, so you will have everything you need to know. For instance, what would cross-reference with this box in Allied Molded. I will also send you a copy of that ABB announcement that the box is going to be discontinued, and we'll send some more information about that as it goes. But for now, I did want you to get ahead of it. I know we've all got some time to do this, given the situation. So this is also something that can be done, obviously, over the phone with the distributor or via teleconferencing or however they've got it set up. But now's the time to move on this pretty quickly. This is a huge market for conversion from this box to this box, so let's be proactive about it and get it done. And I'll be contacting you then one-on-one to follow up in a little more detail. Thanks.